If you're looking for a dependable, high-quality refrigerator filter, the Everydrop number 4 for Whirlpool, Maytag, Amana, Genair, and KitchenAid has been a great solution for us for getting delicious water that you can depend on. And there are a number of things that this filter removes, and you can see the authenticity sticker here, as this is a great pair for any of these name brand refrigerators. It's very simple to use, and you can use it on a bottom freezer style or a side-by-side, and you want to replace your filter every 6 months. So let's take a look at the actual filter here. So you want to make sure to remove this foil on the top that seals it, and it's a very small filter for the size of the refrigerator that we're putting it in. We're putting it in a Maytag, and it's very easy to install, and I'll show you that in just a minute. You get more details here on everything that it can remove and reduce. So when we put it in the fridge, we're going to turn it clockwise, and even shows you which way to turn it once you get it in. So this is our Maytag fridge with the bottom ice drawer on it. And so let's go ahead and here's my sticker so that you can see the model of the fridge. And let's go ahead and take out the old one. All you have to do is pull this tab towards you, and the drawer will come down. And to remove this, all you want to do is to get a good hold of it and turn it counterclockwise. Make sure to have a paper towel or something beneath, because water may come out, a little bit of water. So it might take a bit of an effort to get it out, but it comes out easily. And you can see here what the fitting looks like on top. And this is the exact same filter. It's also heavy because it's got some water and some other minerals in it. So let's take off the foil for the new Everydrop filter. Then all we have to do is, you want to see that where that needs to line up with the fitting up there, the blue fitting. And you may need to kind of rock that down so that it lines up to get the filter on. As you can see, I'm kind of bringing it down so it'll line up. Make sure it's fully seated, and then turn it clockwise until it doesn't turn anymore, and simply close the drawer until it latches. And then the next thing you want to do is, we're going to reset that filter light in just a minute, but the next thing you want to do is run about 2 to 4 gallons of water through this, and you can see some air sprayed out here, and that will happen the first minute or so. And so I'm going to fill this container completely with water, and then I will fill it up again so that we can make sure that this is fully flushed out and air is out. Now we just want to reset the filter, and to do that you hold down the reset filter light for 3 seconds, and it will be fully reset, and it will remind you to replace the filter again in 6 months. Again, check to make sure it's not leaking so that you have it properly on. And thanks for watching my review on this filter.